This Caesar dressing is quick to make because we use mayonnaise. We'll show you what we mean later. We start with garlic and anchovies. Slice the garlic cloves across and remove the germ from inside. Sprinkle with salt to make it easier to finely chop the garlic. Now add anchovies and chop them finely. These are optional, but we think they add incredible taste. Mix the two together and continue chopping. Now we add capers and pickles.
We only use a small amount,
but the taste makes a huge difference. Chop them as finely as you can, then incorporate everything together and chop some more. Add the mixture to a bowl, then add lemon juice, removing any seeds. Caesar dressing is mayonnaise based. We're using homemade mayo made in advance, and it only takes 2 minutes to make. We'll link to the video in the description. Add the mayo, then some Parmesan cheese. We're grating it in with a microplane. Now add some black pepper and mix together. Don't add any salt initially. If after mixing and checking your seasoning, you decide it needs some, add salt then. Add more pepper, lemon juice, or Parmesan if needed. We hope you enjoy our delicious Caesar salad dressing. You can use it in so many different ways.
If you like this recipe, we think you like this video too. Thanks for watching.